Hello and welcome to the launch of NDTV's next big campaign. We have always wanted to do change, to make a difference to our society. And one of the biggest issues that we think now needs to be discussed, raised, and to which solutions need to be found is the problem of the girl child. What can we do to really focus on girls between 0 to 6? There's been much public outrage in the country over the last few months after Nirbhay. There's been a lot of concern about the condition of women and girls in general in our society. But when you look at the problems of girls between 0 and 6, that's when there's a really, really critical issue. When you look at just some of the statistics, 1 out of every 2 girls is malnourished. 1 out of every 6 girls die because of gender discrimination. The overall sex ratio, 940 women for 1,000 men. Those are not statistics that we can live with in this country. And that's why we are here today to try and start making a change in that. And I just want to start welcoming some of our partners in all of this. First of all, Priyanka Chopra is going to be joining us as campaign ambassador, is going to be taking this forward, is going to be anchoring long, long hours on this, Priyanka. As we, so it's great to have you associated with us.
Thank you.
We can't do campaigns like this without partners who completely believe in absolutely the same thing. And it gives me great pleasure to welcome Mr. Anil Agarwal, who's the chairman of Vedanta, who's going to be partnering with us and bringing this entire issue onto the stage and focusing on this. Girija Vyas, Minister for Urban Development, for Poverty Alleviation. It's great to have you, ma'am, with us. And to get your sense. You've done a lot of work in this field, and we'll be asking you also some of the earlier steps you've taken as minister. What can be done with that? Dr. A.L. Sharda, Program Director, which is an NGO which works in the area of population first, is great to have you with us. And Pranoy Roy, who's of course all these campaigns, really your brainchild, coming up with the thought of how to take it forward.
You're the one.
Well, unfortunately not quite. Let's just, before we get comments from everyone, let's just see, what is this campaign going to be all about?
A dream we keep close to our hearts. As NDTV and Vedanta take the lead and launch this critical campaign, Our Girls, Our Pride. The girl child in India is among the least safe in the world. Unwanted, unloved, abused. Especially those between the most vulnerable age group of 1 and 5. They survive, if at all, between the thinnest margin dividing hope and hopelessness. We, the people of India, have let this happen. We, the same people who also have it in us to bring about change. NDTV and Vedanta have joined hands to create a national awareness movement with a focus on nutrition, education, health, feticide and infanticide. It also aims to raise funds and lobby for changes in weak policies. Let's join hands in hope and belief that we will get to see an India where the girls sleep secure and wake up in hope-filled dawns.
But let me first start with you, Priyanka. Now, this is a cause that is really close to your heart, obviously, because you've done a lot of work in this already.
It is. You know, I think I'm one of the very fortunate few girls in this nation who had parents the kind that I did. Both my parents were doctors. So since we were kids, me and my brother, we used to, you know, take the ambulance from our hospital. My dad, my mom, me, and one nurse. And we would go into villages outside of Bareilly, like near Moradabad, around UP. And I think it was, you know, since then, I've seen so closely what happens in a lot of rural India, and now that I have come to know a lot of urban India as well, the mindset that people have towards the girl child. How she's looked upon as a burden, how she's looked upon, abhi to shaadi ho ke kisi aur ke ghar jana hi hai usse. and thoughts like that. So yes, it's something very close to me. I've worked with UNICEF for years now. I've done a campaign called Girl Up with the UN recently as well. I have a foundation which I'm starting myself. And you know, I think that our future is in the hands of our children, and our girls are a huge part of that.
Yeah. Let us start with this 5-star, but we have to go to the Chopal. तो प्रियंका जी को एक एम्बेसडर के रूप में, क्योंकि बिकॉज यू आर ए लाइकिंग फोर्स फॉर एवरीबडी, नॉट द विमेन बट द यंग बॉयज आल्सो, एंड हु कैन डू ए लॉट, जो बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ कर सकते हैं. तो अवेयरनेस, एजुकेशन और उसके बाद में माइंडसेट बदलने के लिए वातावरण, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात है इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट एंड मॉनिटरिंग बाय द गवर्नमेंट. हम हमेशा मॉनिटरिंग पॉइंट पर लिखते रहते हैं. मेरी हमेशा एम्फेसिस होता है कि जो भी स्कीम्स हैं, हमारे जेंडर अभी बजटिंग है, उसमें कम से कम 5% शुड बी ऑन अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स, और गवर्नमेंट उस पर सोच भी रही है. तो मैं तो ये कहूँगी कि प्रियंका जी के आने के बाद, क्योंकि इसके सारे के बावजूद, और एक पक्ष आप ज़रूर लें प्रोटेक्शन और सेफ्टी का. मैंने 3 महीने की बच्ची का रेप होते हुए भी देखा है, और 3 साल की बच्ची का भी, 5 साल की बच्ची का भी. 3 months आई हैव सीन फ्रॉम माई ओन आइज एज ए वुमेन कमीशन चेयरपर्सन. और उस तरफ यदि प्रोटेक्शन की तरफ, क्योंकि घर में ही उन लोगों के साथ जो कुछ होता है, तो हमारे एजुकेशन, हमारे हेल्थ, हमारा जो प्रोग्राम उनको जीवंत रखने का है, फीमेल फिटिसाइड को समाप्त करने का है, लेकिन उसी के साथ साथ जो जी गई हैं, क्योंकि अब जिजीविषा के साथ जो जी रही हैं, उनके प्रोटेक्शन का भी उतना ही प्रश्न है. ये सब प्रश्न, एंड आई एम श्योर हमारी ग्रेट जो डॉटर
हम लोग एक डील बनाते हैं. आज हम लोग एक डील बनाते हैं. मैं ग्राउंड वर्क करूंगी जी, मैं एनडीटीवी के इस इनिशिएटिव के साथ जाऊंगी, और आप इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करवा दीजिए. आप एक फियर डलवाइए लोगों में, ताकि वो होना
इसी पक्ष में हो.
Can I also ask, you know, whatever the laws are, at the end of the day, the implementation is the most important part, because you can go on saying, look, this should not happen, and if somebody does this, you'll be punished, but if it's not going to be implemented, what can be done? So that's implementation always becomes a crucial problem, right?
I think जनमत अगर साथ में है तो ये लॉ भी बनेगा ही.
लॉ तो बना हुआ है.
गिरजावास जनमत साथ में है, जनमत साथ में चल रहा है, तो लॉ भी बनेगा ही. As you say, it's a slow process. It's going to be there.
I think launching this, there will be a difference. And unfortunately, I think the focus, actually the problem is men in India. That's the key to the problem, not the women. But women are fighting, and they're against all odds. They're coming first in exams across the country. And I can tell you, I've been doing opinion polls for 25 years. 25 years ago, I used to ask a woman voter, who are you going to vote for? And she'd say, whoever my husband tells me. Now I ask them, and they say, he thinks I'm going to vote for who he wants me to, but I'm not going to do what I want to do. I'm not going to vote the way he thinks. And I'm looking forward to 10 years from now, when the man says, I'll vote the way my wife tells me to. That will be the change. Okay. The key point, last key point is, all economic studies have shown investment in women does 2 of the most important things. It gives you the biggest growth rate boost, and it creates greater equality. So if those who are focused on growth, this is the way, invest in women. And those who are focused on equality, this is also the way. So it covers both. So the key is, men are the problem, women are the solution.
I think policing and punishment, we will have very limited results, but if we can empower, we'll have very long-term results. And I think our campaign should focus on empowerment, giving the girl child her rights.
प्रियंका जी, इसमें जो लॉ की बात हुई इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस की, ये लॉ अपने आप में इतना पावरफुल है कि यदि इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर लिया जाए तो ये डॉक्टर्स के ऊपर हम बहुत अच्छा लगाम लगा सकते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग कि इसमें चार्जेस फ्रेम होने के बाद में वो डॉक्टर जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकता, जब तक उसका डिसीजंस नहीं हो जाता है. तो आज तक कभी भी इस चीज़ के लिए ऊपर प्रेशर नहीं दिया गया कि जितने भी यहाँ पर केस फाइनल हुए हैं, जिनके चार्जेस फ्रेम हुए हैं, उन डॉक्टर को सस्पेंड किया गया हो प्रैक्टिस से. तो ये चीज़ हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि सरकार की मंशा कितनी है उस पर काम करने के लिए. एक चीज़. दूसरी चीज़, जहाँ बात हो रही है कि हम सॉल्यूशंस कहाँ देख रहे हैं. लाइफ साइकिल अप्रोच में जब हम देखेंगे कि जीवन से मृत्यु तक हम अपने महिला के जीवन में देखेंगे, तो बचपन से जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है, तो हम सोचते हैं कि मैं तो लड़की हूँ तो मुझे तो सूखी रोटी खाने को मिलेगी, मैं तो लड़का हूँ तो मैं तो दूध पीऊँगा, मिठाई खाऊँगा, लाइक दैट. तो ये बचपन से हम उसको सिखा दें कि नहीं, हम इक्वली रखेंगे दोनों को, तो जो बराबर का उनका दर्जा मिलेगा, वो बहुत कुछ हम लोग मायने रख सकते हैं. नज़रिया बदलने का. तीसरी चीज़ यहाँ पर आती है सर, मैं 1 मिनट और लूँगी उसके, कि मैंने जब ये चीज़ को लगा कि सेक्स सिलेक्शन जब होने लगा था, हम लोगों ने इस पर प्रेशर दिया कि अल्ट्रासाउंड सेंटर पर हमने मॉनिटरिंग बहुत अच्छे से किया, फिर उसके बाद में ऐसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? तो हम लोगों को ऐसे मारा जा रहा है, आफ्टर सेक्स सिलेक्शन के द्वारा भी मारा जा रहा है हम लड़कियों को, और पैदा हो जाए तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के द्वारा मारा जा रहा है.
We are little short of 2 billion, so mindset change is that voluminous. If we say whom to target for, it's just 47,000 registered centers, including IVF centers. We cannot say that behavior of 47,000 people cannot be watched. Yeah. Just 40,000 people in the country who are running.
That's an excellent point. It can be controlled. Anybody have some final thoughts to make, ma'am?
I would like to answer her question. Under the PCPNDT Act, a woman is protected. A case will not be filed against her if he complains against her family. Second thing is, under the DV Act, she can always get protection in case of any violence which is perpetrated on her. The fact is that many women do not know that, and more importantly, women are not given the skills to negotiate, they are not given the skills to be assertive, they are not given they are not empowered enough to take a stand. So we need to do a lot in our education system to bring in these skills for boys and as well, more importantly, for girls. So there is already a protection for the women.
Okay, ma'am. Final thoughts from you, ma'am.
Priyanka ji, all the best for you.
Thank you.
And with one quote, क्योंकि मैं कहती हूँ कि ना कहना सिखाना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Enough is enough. और मेरा एक शेर है, तुम भी दर्द कहाँ तक देते, मैं भी जुल्म कहाँ तक सहती, तुम जो इतने बुरे नहीं हो, मैं भी इतनी भली नहीं हूँ. They should say no, क्योंकि उनको जब ले जाया जाता है कि the answer of that girl, कि उसको क्यों, why should she should say that I won't go for this, मैं क्यों जाऊँगी इसके लिए, pregnancy abortion के लिए, she should say no. और उस बच्चे को भी सिखाना पड़ेगा शुरू से लेकर के, she should not accept everything, ये उसमें भी जागृति पैदा करनी पड़ेगी. इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट के पार्ट पे भी, एंड आई एम एम्फेसाइजिंग, और गवर्नमेंट उसके लिए प्रयास कर रही है कि उनकी ट्रेनिंग भी ज़रूरी है, उनकी 2 साल की उम्र से लेकर के आगे तक की, ताकि वो सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बन सके. ऑल द चैलेंजेस जी, एम्पावरमेंट, अवेयरनेस, जी हाँ, एम्पावरमेंट, और गवर्नमेंट को बिल्कुल जरूरी. मैंने 5 इसीलिए कहा था.
That one's just failed. Oh. Okay. Anilji, final thoughts from you, then I'm going to get Priyanka to say the final thoughts.
No, as you said, the empowerment is most important. We are fully committed. I think we are on the track. Thank you very much, NDTV, to organizing this. I think awareness is coming, and it's a slow process, but we will be there.
Well, I would just like to say thank you very much कि आप लोग यहाँ पर आए, and thank you so much, sir, कि आपने इस initiative को जान दी. And to all of you for being a part of this. This is a very, very important campaign. Not just for each one of us here, not just for all of us who are present, but for the nation. We are one of the youngest countries in the world, and our children are our future, and the girls are a very important part of that. अपनी लड़कियों को एक chance दें, एक मौका दें कि वो अपने पैरों पर खड़ी हो सकें, and thank you so much for being so supportive of this cause. I hope we can make a huge change.
Wow.
Thank you so much.